How to assemble your Powermate rear tine tiller. To ensure safety, wear ANSI-compliant safety glasses with side shields during assembly, and be sure to unplug the spark plug wire before beginning the assembly process. Step 1. Unpacking. Remove the tiller and all of the components from the carton. Use a utility knife to cut all 4 vertical edges and lay the side panels flat around the tiller. Remove any remaining packaging. Step 2. Wheel assembly. Ensure the cupped washers are installed onto the wheel axles. The tiller wheels are directional. For best performance, install the wheels with the tire tread positioned toward the front of the unit. Slide the wheel hub onto the wheel axle and align the hub hole with the hole in the axle. Insert the locking pin and rotate to lock into position. Step 3. Depth regulator. Insert the depth regulator into the bottom of the depth regulator bracket. Insert the pin through the bracket and lever. Step 4. Lower handle. Align the lower handle holes to the middle height adjustment holes in the transmission cover. Install the M10 by 25mm bolts, flat washers, lock washers, and nuts. Tighten securely. Note: these adjustment holes can be used to provide a taller or shorter handle height according to your specific needs. Step 5. Upper handle. Slide the upper handle down over the lower handle and align the holes. Insert the saddle bolts into the holes and secure with the handle knobs. Tighten the handle knobs securely. Secure the control cables to the handle using cable ties. These cable ties should restrain the cables, yet allow large gentle sweeping bends where they enter the belt cover. This will allow the cables to operate with less effort and prevent kinking. Note: the engine is shipped without oil in the crankcase. A bottle of oil is supplied with the unit. Failure to add the proper type and amount of oil will result in engine damage. And to prevent damage to your tires, ensure your tire pressure is between 25 and 30 psi before each use. Once you have added the appropriate amount of oil, ensured proper tire pressure, and reattach the spark plug, you are ready to use your Powermate rear tine tiller.